Hello, hello. Myself, K.K. Durga Prasad, lecturer in geology, Nagarjuna Government Degree College, Autonomous, Nalgonda. Where I am going to give a online class just with the help of the blackboard only. Right? This is the subject of geology. That's the one of the important branches, petrology. The petrology deals with the rocks, especially. The study of the rocks is known as the petrology. The study of the rocks is known as the petrology. Actually, as per whatever it may be, the petrology may be in the first year, second year, or final year, it should not the matter. Why? It's because sometimes you may be you appear for the further studies like MSc or in other. Maybe it's kept in some another semester or another year. But it's not the matter. The petrology is petrology. Petrology always deals with the rocks and kinds of rocks and what is their occurrence and how they will be formed. These matters will be common things in the especially petrology. When we are going to discuss the petrology, what is the petrology? I told you. Study of the rocks is the petrology. First of all, you have to a question how to arise in you. What is the question that? In first year, all you studied that what is the mineral and mineralogy, optical mineralogy also. Then, what is the difference between the mineral and rock? First of all, this is the analytical question. What is the basic difference between the mineral and rocks? Then we enter to the rocks. Okay, we will discuss the rocks. It's not the matter. Then first year, when just you step back to the first year and go to that, the mineralogy will be you can face in your syllabus. The mineralogy is the very important. They will say that because of the mineralogy will be attached in the petrology in second year. The lecturer will say that the total minerals, 2000 minerals are invented till now. But whatever it may be, the about the 200 minerals only the knowledge is along with us. Remaining them, we have to just in the innovative ways. We are some of the scientists, geologists are studying about that. What is this minerals and what is the unit? Suppose I will give you an example. Um, an example is just the platinum metals or minerals. Nobody knows that recently, it's in recent decades only. What is the use of platinum? It comes to titanium also. It's known as the wonder metal. Some of the minerals also like that. Then what is the basic difference between the mineral and rock? Then if you know this, you have to easy to enter from the first year mineral to rock. When you are discussing the mineralogy in the first year, there is definitely there will be a discussion on the minerals composition. This is known as the chemical composition. Here, the rocks we are discussing in the petrology, there is no word will be used as the chemical composition. Naturally, it will be like mineral composition. It is known as the mineral composition. Means what? The aggregation of the minerals is known as the rock. Now maybe you are grasped whatever it may be easily taken up what I am going to say. The minerals, suppose you are a granite. Granite is the Telangana abundant rock. Moreover, whatever you will see, with the little much differences of the colors and auxiliary minerals, you can see everywhere granite. Some of the areas of the Miryalguda and Palnadu areas which is attached there, that is the limestones. Other than total area is different types of granites only. The what is the rock? Immediately you will say that Nalgonda people because of our NG college is just adjacent to the two hills. Okay, they are Nilagiri, Nallagonda. That is the name we are comes from that as the historical background. Then what is the mineral composition of that granite? It's a granite rock. Immediately, the second year student can easily say the quartz and feldspar, K feldspar is the mineral composition of granite rocks are. But first year student can't. Why? Only he knows about the minerals and the lecturer will says about that the rock will be built with the minerals, the mineral aggregation, quartz, feldspar, little much of hornblende, biotite, like all this combinedly if it is formed, especially abundance of quartz and feldspar, it is known as the granite. If the relative percentage is changed, the rock name will be changed. Means here one observable thing is the rock name is derived by the concentration and the composition and the relative percentage of minerals. Suppose I will take the help of the board, maybe it's visible or not because of this light is some differently, it is today it's acting differently, right? I will take the help of the board, okay? I will explain you what is the difference between the homogeneous and heterogeneous because of minerals are homogeneous, rocks are heterogeneous. What is the meaning of homogeneous? Wherever you take in a part, single part from the total mineral, suppose you get a mineral piece of the, suppose I will along with me, there is a minerals are there, quartz mineral, feldspar mineral. Wherever a part you take that, it will shows the same chemical composition, okay, atomic structure, okay, like this. But in the rock, if you taken from the one part, it will shows a different chemical composition and mineral composition. From other part, it will shows the some different mineral composition. Like this, they will be differ. How? I will try to explain on the board because of this is the first class. They are not the total settlement area is not done because of in the PPT also. I tried that the PPT is only just not total relevant to the graduation levels, okay, that is given with the linked with the so much depth or either some of the it's briefly abstract is given, so that I first of all I want to go to the board, okay. If there is any difficulty you face it, that forgive me, anybody, right? Just you try to follow the board. Now I will be exposure